Welcome back. In the last video we talked about how to get hosting and domain. Now I receive couple of emails from hosting manager and they inform me the domain is available and activated. Mhm. So I logged into my hosting and domain providers website account and log into cPanel. Click on hosting and select the hosting, and here we can see the login to cPanel, and I click on it. So this is the cPanel for my hosting, and here we can see the statistic of the hosting, and cPanel contain of different options like email account, FTP account, PHP multi, INI editor, zone editor, like that. I will discuss them when we need them in WordPress editing. Let me show you how to create email account. I click on email accounts. So this is the default email account for the hosting, and I will create because every WordPress installation need the website email address because handle email, sending emails to customers like that. So I click on create and I enter the prefix. So usually I enter info and the suffix is at our domain name, in this case at handybars.lk, and I provide email password or I can generate it, and also there is optional settings that the editing the limitation. So this email account is used for usage of the WordPress installation, so I remove the limit and change to unlimited and create. Now email accounts is created. I can check email account from this, and there is option to choose what is the default email platform. I choose PromptScript and click on always use this and open. So this is the email account. We can receive emails and send email like that. So I again go to dashboard of cPanel. So let's start to install WordPress. I scroll down and choose WordPress from Softiculous app installer. In this page we can show the current installed WordPress website, and install option is already there, so there is no WordPress installation default. So I'm going to install. Click on install. In here we can select the domain. In this case I am only have the main domain. I didn't make any subdomain, so I want to install the WordPress in this main domain, and I select it, and this is the login credentials for the WordPress dashboard. So I give them nice name, password, like this, and keep these other settings default. Also we can change the site name and the site description here. Also we can change it later. Now I change it. I change it like this and click on install. Return to overview, and in this current installation we can see the installed locations. And first I'm going to edit this and change auto upgrade to to any latest version available and save installation details. Return to overview. So we have done. To log in WordPress dashboard, we can simply click in this icon, or we can simply type our domain name and /wp dash admin and enter, and it is shows like this. Also, I already told we can do it from here like this. Okay, in the very first, when we log into the WordPress dashboard, the login application is show like this. This is not the correct form. The hosting and domain owners provide us the initial login details to our mail. In this case, uh, I have to enter human as the username and the password. They inform me about that from my email. In this section, they provide me the initial login credentials, so I use them to initiate the WordPress. Type human and human and hit enter. Now this is the default WordPress login, and already username is with it, and I enter the password that I provide when I install the WordPress. Enter. Okay, this is the WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic is done. So I usually remove this all notification from here for better look. Okay, and I go to post page. Also, by default, the WordPress, after the installation of WordPress, the website is look like this. The example page settings and post settings by default the WordPress. So this is the hello world post, this one, and I delete it. Move to trash and go to trash and empty trash, so I can see the default pages by clicking pages. So this is sample page and privacy policy page. I keep them as it is, and this is the post I already show. This is the pages. The media shows what kind of media or files we have been uploaded to the WordPress. Currently there are no media. And comments section we will talk about, and appearance and plugin I will talk. User, I am going to talk about users. This is the current user default that I have entered when I install the WordPress, and we can change the settings from edit. The email is admin@handybars.lk, so I'm going to change because admin@handybars.lk email is not exist. I create info at handybars.lk instead of that. So I enter that and update profile. So after the enter new email address, the email is pending till we confirm the email address. So I again go to the C panel from here and click on email accounts, and this is the email account that I have selected for that WordPress installation. I logged into the email account and there is a email with verification link for the WordPress installation. So I click on this verification link. So we successfully update the custom email address for WordPress. Also I want to show that the current website that we are created is not HTTPS, it contains HTTP. This message also always shows to the user because we have not any certification of security. By default register.lk didn't give us a certification, so I have to get certification. Also we can get free certification from Cloudflare. So now I am going to point my hosting and domain name servers to Cloudflare. It is also help to increase the performance of the website by 2 or 3 times. So I already created the Cloudflare account with my client's email account. You can simply enter the email and password and confirm the email from verification link. So I enter the website domain name. So I am going to now add the site for my Cloudflare account. Click on add. Okay, now we have to select a plan. So I'm not going to pro plans, I'm just get a free plan. Select the free plan and continue. So that process. Import the DNS record to the Cloudflare. Now DNS record are pointed to the Cloudflare account and click on continue. So I have to remove the current name servers and add Cloudflare's name servers they provided in here. So we update the name servers, but it takes time, and this is I already discussed about users settings. You can change this from according to your preference. So I keep this is now I'm in Sri Lanka, so the client is also in Sri Lanka. I change to time zone according to the Sri Lanka plus 4:30, and the site tagline is already changed. Click on save, and also I'm going to go to permalinks, and the default permalink type is date and name. So I will change to post name because this look like ugly. Post name is very common one, and save changes, and also go to privacy. This is a privacy policy. We can change it from here. Writing, in the reading section, there is option discourage search engine from indexing the site. If you are still uh, developing the site, you can click on this and it will hide from the search engines. So we will discuss about themes and plugins in the next video. So thank you.